Before you start drawing in AutoCAD, you need to set it up correctly. If you skip this step, your drawings will always have problems. In this video, I'll show you the basic AutoCAD settings that every beginner must know. Let's keep it simple and practical.
So here is our AutoCAD interface. So the first step is to set units. We go on AutoCAD icon there, up there, and then we go to drawing utilities. After that, we find units, we click on units, and we set units. The type will be decimal, but you can choose according to your drawings, your project, and the precision also you choose according to your project, decimal. And the inches is here, unit to scale. You can choose also depending on your project. It depends on your project. You choose meter, millimeter, or centimeter. Let's set in centimeter now, and then we click OK. This is unit. So the second step is to close snap. The grid mode. Grid mode you close if it is distracting you. If it distracts you, you close it, and if not, you use snap only if needed. You use snap if you need. And then the third step is object snap here, or OSNAP, and then to turn OSNAP turn on, we are going to turn on endpoint, midpoint, center for precision. This helps you draw with precision, all these things. And after this, we have to set layers. Let's go to up there, and then we find here, this is layer. If it's created, it will appear here. Now go to layer property to create layers, and then we go here, we see the layers, and then we click on this to create new layer, and then we name this, let's say walls. For example, layers for walls will be different from windows. We create another one, and then we set like doors. We call this door, and then another one we call this, let's say windows. Let's say windows. All this layer, after creating, we assign color to each layer. We come here, and then we choose a color. For example, for doors, I want the doors to look different from windows, and door or walls. I want walls to look different from windows and other. Then here, I keep the walls white while the doors will be red, and then I choose a color for windows. Let's choose green. This here is the line, how they will look. So this one not very important, but if you need, you can choose. Now we have our layers here. They will appear here. If you want to, click here, and then you see all your layers are ready to use. So we click on wall, it will be white, just white line like this. When we see this, according to the layers, we know that this is wall, but the red is doors. Doors will look red. This is doors, and the windows will be the green, in green. This, when you click on windows, because the layer is green, and then we draw our windows. Here is all setting.
Always set up your drawing before you start. This saves time and avoids mistakes. Follow for more AutoCAD tutorials and civil engineering content.